we were talking about the musical quality or the melodic rhythm in Donne's poem Go and Catch a Falling Star. Now let us see what is alliteration. Alliteration बोलते हैं अनुप्रास को. अनुप्रास मीन्स इसका मतलब होता है repetition of sounds or words. It is the use of speech or writing of several words close together which all begin with the same letter or sound. समझे आप? जहाँ पे किसी सेम लेटर या साउंड का रेपिटिशन होता है, बार बार आता है, उसको बोलते हैं alliteration. Now this alliteration makes a poem lively, energetic and witty. जैसा आपको बताया है, metaphysical poetry is witty. It also plays a part in keeping the poem very sparky and pleasant on the level of sound. Now here in this poem we see that much of the alliteration, यहाँ पे alliteration का example आप देखिए, it appears in two word sequences. ये वाली line देखिए, if thou beest born to strange sights. कौन से sound repeat हो रहे हैं? B and S. Now there is a rhyming pattern also. We will see how the lines rhyme with each other. Come to the text. Go and catch a falling star. This is A. Get with child a mandrake root. Tell me where all past years are. Now star and R are rhyming with each other, so we'll mark them as A. A. Now second line, get with child a mandrake root is rhyming with or who cleft the devil's foot. Rhyme हो रहा है ना, root and foot. So we'll mark it as B. B. Teach me to hear mermaids singing or to keep off envy stinging. कौन सा sound repeat हो रहा है या rhyme कर रहा है? Last word singing and stinging. ये हो जाएगा आपका C. Now come to the last three lines of the stanza. And find what wine serves to advance an honest mind. आपने देखा find, wine और mind तीनों आपस में rhyme कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम उनको mark करेंगे D D D. Get it? चलिए सेकेंड स्टैंजा में भी वही राइम स्कीम है. If thou beest born to strange sights, things invisible to see, write 10,000 days and nights. अब sights और nights राइम हो रहा है, C और D राइम हो रहा है. The rhyme scheme is the same. A B A B. Thou whence thou returnest will tell me, and strange wonders that befell thee. Me and thee are rhyming. Again the last three lines. And swear nowhere lives a woman true and fair. Last तीन वापस rhyme कर रहे हैं. D D D. Okay. Now come to the final stanza. Again the same rhyme scheme continues. If thou findest one, let me know, such a pilgrimage were sweet, yet do not, I would not go. अब आपको समझ में आ गया? No and go are rhyming. Though at next door we might meet. So second line का sweet और fourth line का meet, they are rhyming. Though she were true when you met her, and last till you write your letter. Both are rhyming, her and letter. ये हो जाएगा आपका C. And again the last three lines. Yet she will be false ere I come to 2 or 3. She, be and 3 का एक सा rhyme है, इसलिए हम उनको mark करेंगे D D D. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C C and D D D. आया समझ में? So this was the rhyme scheme. This device also creates a unique richness. ये जो poem की language हो उसको एक richness और एक यूनिकनेस प्रोवाइड करता है. साइड बाय साइड इट ऑल्सो मेक्स द पोएम enjoyable to read. So I hope you have understood the importance and use of these devices in Donne's poem Go and Catch a Falling Star.